loosened the sump plug and the first thing that came out is water. Well, it has stopped flowing. Move this out of the way. Oh, nice. So this is the sump as I've taken it off. Nice. Pretty sure that's the oil pressure relief valve. That's obviously conrod. Right, so the inspection of the blown up engine has begun. So that much water came out of the sump plug before any of that came out. And then all of this was either in the sump. Nice. Or it was on top of the gasket and has fallen out as I've taken that off. I mean, where has that come from? Let's see if I can make, so you can see the crank kind of here is destroyed essentially. Over on this side, there's the other, like both conrods are off. Yeah, I can see further down. Yeah, I can see where it's gone through the water jacket up there, I think. It's hard to do this with the light. So, clutch. Moist. Nice. That's slightly bent.
Nice.
It's a nice bent balance shaft, complete with, come on focus, just damage. And then the crank is just in the gouges in this side. Yeah, that's quite bad. You can just hear. And then there's a nice bend to that. That's broken. Ooh, nice chunk out the bottom there as well. It's actually cracked here. Oh, yeah. The more you look at it, the more you see. So electronologically, we're all connected up. Well, apart from that, which probably shouldn't leave hanging. I'll tidy these up a bit. Still got to do the exhaust, engine case protectors, crank breather. I've realised I've put the tank on a bit prematurely, so I might be able to get my skinny fingers in there, but I'll probably have to take the tank off again. Still need to tighten that up. It rattles, so I'm not going to forget, but I'm waiting to put the back wheel on, but I'm not going to bother doing that until I've got a new tyre to replace the flat spot. All that, but this makes it awkward to get to that, so that's waiting until I've done that. Probably, I filled it up with water, but I'm probably going to drain it through, flush it, and then refill it before I go again. I've got the gear linkage on, sprocket is tight now. Drain the fresh water that I put in just to give it a flush. That's the water drain bolt drilled, lock wired.